After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best iPad 10.9-inch, 10th generation, from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. iPad 10.9-inch, 10th generation, is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and prices. Let's watch the video.
Hi, I'm Melody. I'm super excited to tell you about the next generation iPad. Before we dig into all the new features, let's take a look at the new design.
Taste it like a gummy jelly bean or lollipop. Yum, yum, yum. Give me some, give me some. Yum, yum, yum. Give me some, give me some. Yummy in your tummy, sugar rush, don't let it stop.
This is the all-new, completely redesigned, super versatile iPad. The new all-screen design comes in 4 gorgeous colors: blue, pink, yellow, and silver. The stunning 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display extends right to the edges in a design that's nearly the same size as before. To achieve this all-screen design meant moving Touch ID to the top button. The A14 Bionic chip delivers knockout performance with a faster CPU, faster graphics, and a neural engine with twice as many cores. You can work on a big school project, edit high-res video, or tear through a graphics-intensive game. And the remarkable power efficiency of A14 lets you use iPad all day. We've also made huge improvements to both cameras. On the back, a new high-res 12-megapixel camera records 4K video with incredible detail. It's true, Gary, you look fantastic. And on the front, we did something that's a first for any iPad. We moved the ultra-wide 12-megapixel front camera from here to here. This is great for video calls because you're always looking right toward the camera. Wireless performance is even quicker with Wi-Fi 6. And cellular models now have 5G, so you can stream, download, and game faster than ever. And we designed an awesome new keyboard just for this iPad, the Magic Keyboard Folio. Here's Mish to tell you more.
Magic Keyboard Folio gives you a great typing experience with full-size keys, 1 millimeter of travel, and a responsive feel. The new keyboard also includes a large trackpad, so you can easily pinch, scroll, and swipe. And there's a 14-key function row for quick actions like adjusting the volume or display brightness. The unique 2-piece design magnetically attaches to the smart connector, so there's no batteries and no charging. Magic Keyboard Folio is super flexible for all the ways you use iPad. You can fold the keyboard around the back or remove it entirely. The back cover has an adjustable stand, so you can play a game or watch one, or fold it completely flat to use with Apple Pencil. And that's Magic Keyboard Folio. Melody?
With pixel-perfect precision, incredibly low latency, and support for pressure and tilt, there's nothing like the experience of using Apple Pencil. And what makes it so easy to use is its seamless integration with iPad OS. The new iPad comes with iPad OS 16. It's a big update with lots of new features. Messages gets even better. You can unsend a recent message, or edit a message you just sent. And live text now allows you to copy, look up, share, or even translate words right from video. And of course, there are over 1 million more apps designed specifically for iPad, which make it anything you want it to be. So this is the all-new iPad. It starts at just $449, delivering so much value at this affordable price in 4 stunning colors with an all-screen design, 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, A14 Bionic, and the new Magic Keyboard Folio. There's no other device of its kind.
Thank you for looking this video. If you determined this video beneficial, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment beneath. Check out the outline to locate the